Doing some trail maintenance for the Snowmobile Club today. Some volunteer work. But I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So I got the Rhino here. I got some tools, rope, clippers. Got Cody dog. Yeah. And this is the spot. Remember Cody, the first day we were hanging out, we ever met, we came up here and went snowmobiling. This is that spot. This is that spot. Hey, Levi, you ready to go snowmobiling? Pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Cody, buddy, you look tired from maybe sprinting up and down the hill a million times. Right? Still a lot of tree on this.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. That's out of the road.
Yeah. Really out of the road. We see this side trail. Jay's like, oh, go up the side trail. Like, yeah, okay. So you should have seen the hills we were just going up right there. Now he's up there like moving brush. Right, Cody? Where are we, on the side of a mountain? Look at that. Hills never translate onto camera, but it's this is a hill.
gonna be the new snowmobile trail.
Alright, there it is. We made it.
You can make it.
Make it is winch yourself. That was perfect. Look how much more view I just made. Alright, so that went well. That was a lot of fun. Skid steer worked perfectly. Thing cut anything I wanted it to and chopped it up to nothing. And here's the trail. Pretty much it was like a single lane the whole way with stuff rubbing you on some sides. Now it's pretty much I went up and down each side of it at the very minimum, and at the most I made it much wider, especially on the turns. Alright, let's come back when there's some snow and check it out.
There you go, Domino. Don't let him beat you up. You're older.
That all slobber on her neck?
Yeah. Yep.
Good girl. All right, we're back here a few months later. We got some snow. We got some labs. We got a brand new snowmobile. And yeah, it's still looking nice and wide now. Look at this guy, full speed Cody. Come on, buddy. All right. Ready? Ready. There you go, sit down, buddy. Cody will run up this whole mountain, but Cody, come on. Levi will share with you. Let's get in the sled with Levi. Come here, Cody, sit. Come here, come here. Come on, buddy, let's ride with Levi. He'll share. Hey, buddy. All right, so our trailer kind of fell apart here. We're halfway. We're going to get a ratchet strap to tie it back together. Trail is still nice and wide. See, I mean, it's before it was like there was brush just coming in at you. You were like in this narrow little path, and it's really pretty up here. Cody! He's bringing our parts, buddy.
Put another one on there.
Yeah, and I guess we could try one in the middle. There we go, buddy. Go in there. There we go. nice having the trail nice and wide. I'm gonna do another video covering the whole season of snowmobile riding. This was just more maintenance stuff, but let's hopefully get a bunch of snow this year. Check out these heaters I got. Good.
Going up here. You wanna go for a ride? You wanna go for a ride? Come on.
Is there heat in there?
Yep.
This thing's nice.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, it doesn't get real warm in there, but it's,
Yeah.
there's enough heat in there to keep the chill off.
Does it pretty much go anywhere?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. We've had
Nice.
It, yep, we've had it up here in some pretty deep snow.
Really?
Yeah, the only thing we put the winch on it, and all the tools and that stuff.
Right.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I had to make a whole new blower motor for the heater.
Is that a diesel engine? Or?
No.
Oh, it's like a
4-cylinder Ford.
okay. Something they put on the chip.
Four-cylinder Ford. 10.
That spot where I made the view better. There is a good view here. It's just foggy today. Right, buddy?